Hi guys, today we're going to be cooking with Victoria. Introduce yourself.
No.
Come on, tell me your name.
My name is Victoria.
What are you going to be making today, Victoria?
Cupcakes.
Do you want to show them the box of mix you're going to be using? And the frosting? So, that's what we're going to be making today. But before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that watermark right there. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So right now, we haven't mixed anything yet, but Vicky's going to put the liners inside the cup holders. Victoria?
Next we're going to do the batter.
Okay. So it says we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. Do you want to get 3 eggs out for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on my little chef or baker.
I be careful where should I put the egg?
Just put them on the side. We just need to get 3 out.
Oh, where are they going?
Not yet, Moms. 1,
2, 3.
Okay, count them out for the camera.
1, 2, 3.
Next, it says we need
A half
cup of vegetable oil. Do you know what a 1/2 cup looks like?
No.
Okay, so this one right here. Oh, wait,
can you pour it? And I can.
This one right here, okay?
Come on, babies.
So I'll pour it for you so you can see what a 1/2 looks like, okay? So the 1/2 is a 1 with a dash and then a 2. So that one's a 1/2, okay? Okay, tell me when it's done.
Stop.
Okay, good job. Okay, put that aside because we gotta. There's the thing.
Okay, now can I pour it?
First, we're gonna put the cake mix in.
Okay, can I?
Yeah, you're gonna pour it. I'm gonna open it for you though.
I'm so excited. Have you guys ever made cupcakes before?
Let us know. Tell me.
I did 5 times.
Okay.
This is my time.
All right, go.
Let's dump it all in. Dump it all in.
All in there.
Make sure. Ah!
Whoa,
In. I guess I'm gonna smell like strawberry.
Yeah. All right, it's all in there.
Yep.
So,
Make sure you don't get on yourself here.
So next, we're gonna crack the eggs. We're gonna want to go like
She's
this.
gonna do it. So
Yeah.
is my sister. That's scary.
Whoa. Okay.
1 egg.
Mhm.
Can I pour it?
Yeah, go. All right, go. Okay, pull it apart. Make sure the shells don't get in there. Yeah, pinch it and then pull. Like.
No.
You scared?
I'm scared.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to pull the rest? Pull it. Pull the other side. There you go. And then you gotta just make sure you don't get any cracks on there.
Yeah, because or else it'll be crunchy.
Yep, and we don't want crunchy. 3rd egg.
Make sure a grown-up does the eggs, and if you're a big kid, you can do it.
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
if you know how to crack egg. Okay, now can I start?
Time for the oil.
Oh yeah.
Put it all in there. Good job. Okay, let's put that over there so they won't be in the way. Now, time for you to stir it. Okay, you stir that, okay?
Ooh, that smells good. Smash the yolk. Smash the yolk. This is super awkward.
Oh, you know what? I forgot to put a cup of water in there.
Yep. Whatever.
Okay, now we gotta add the water.
Yes.
I don't know that you messed up. It's okay. Okay, put it in.
That's why it's stinky.
Okay, here, let's stir it.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling,
Do you want to open the oven, Victoria?
Be careful.
Yep, you gotta be very careful. Don't touch any of the inside. Okay. Now we wait. Chrissy, you're not fat. Okay, tell them what you're gonna do.
So right now we already did the cake. So now we're going to do the icing with rainbow sprinkles. It looks like.
Do you want to just use a butter knife and put it on there like that?
What?
Because I think you're gonna have to melt this.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
content. Subscribe if you like this video.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.